Okay, today with TinkerCAD, we'll be going over elevating objects. Elevating objects really means just lifting them off the plane, just lifting them up. And we'll do it two ways. First, we're going to be elevating objects directly, and then we'll be elevating objects by just dragging them. Okay, so first of all, let's start off with elevating them directly. So let's pull a couple of objects here. Let's grab a box here, put it right here, and grab a second box. This will be the one that we're going to elevate. In order to elevate an object, after you click the object, you'll see that there's a little black cone just above. That's the that's gives you ability to elevate or lift your object up. So we want to do it directly. So we're going to not just clicking it doesn't really do anything. What you have to do is click it and slightly drag it just a little bit. Once you actually move or drag, you'll get your two values here. One value here tells you, sorry, the second value here tells you how far you're off the ground. And let's lift this up to 5 millimeters. So once again, click here, kind of slightly drag this, and now we'll change this to 5 millimeters, and you see that it's off the ground 5 millimeters. Okay. Let's click and drag just a little bit. It tells us what our old um, place was. We're currently 5 off the ground, but it tells us that we're starting from 0 from where we are now. So if I wanted to bring this up another 10, let's see, another 5. I'll put 5 here on the top one, and you notice that it goes 5 from where it was. So now it's a total of 10 off the ground here, but we're 5 from where we last started. So this tells you where we last started, and this tells you how much you are from the ground. So let's go back here, and we'll put it back on the work plane, back at 0, and I'll show you that it is 0. I'll pull this just a little bit, go back down to 0. Now let's elevate by dragging, just by dragging. To elevate by dragging, we click here and we go to the cone, and as soon as you pull on it or move it slightly, you get the numbers. But if you keep dragging, you can get new elevations. So now let's go 5 millimeters off the ground. So 5 millimeters off the ground. I click away from it. I click back onto it, and I want to move it some more. And you notice that the top one is 0, and the bottom still tells you you're 5 off the ground. So I'm going to go 5 more. So the top one says 5. That means I went 5 more from where I was last. And the 10 here tells you that I'm 10 total from the bottom. And that was just by dragging. Dragging, you can also drag underneath. You can go underneath the plane as well as above. And that is your lesson on elevating.